So my name is Frances Lanning, and I live here at Elliman Drive in Las Cruces.
My name is James Adair, and I'm with SolarWorks Energy. Earlier in the year, we made it a goal that once our sales teams hit 100 deals in any given month, that we would find a homeowner, a family in need, and donate a solar array to them. And so that's where it began. In the month of July, we actually reached that goal.
James came and knocked on my door. He was canvassing the area, and he's just a godsend to my family, because otherwise we were going to have to move out.
I saw the roof on this house and knew that this family, just by looking at the home itself, was in need. And so that's when I came up to the home, knocked on the door, met Fran. We had a conversation for about 10 minutes. And after that conversation, I told her, we're going to give you a new roof. And then just so happens we were able to also donate a solar array, and we're also going to stucco the house. So we're just going to do a full upgrade that I'm super stoked for.
We couldn't afford the roof or anything like that. And I'm just so excited that we're going to be able to stay where we are and not have to move. And I'm just so excited about that we can stay. I started crying because I had been so upset for about 8 months. And the situation was just terrible for us.
So for Fran and her family, anytime wind would come through, it would aggravate their ability to live, just comfortably. So that's one thing. The second thing is just seeing the difference that it's making in her life. Like, I know she mentioned that she's emotional, but it's more than just an emotion. It's something in the heart that's happening. And that's what just excites me, to be able to actually make an impact and bring value to someone who didn't know how they were going to overcome this situation of not being able to afford a new roof, barely being able to afford a lot of expenses. And this just brings peace to a lot of different areas for her in her life. And that's really what excites me. And not only just to be able to do this for Fran, but to bring this value to this community and let this community see, like us at SolarWorks Energy, we're not just about putting solar on roofs. We're about bringing value here and changing lives. Because I think that's a little bit of what we're doing, is we're actually helping change someone's life. And so that excites me.
Thank you.